Intel Arrow Lake ES2 desktop CPUs offer 3% single-core and 15% multi-thread uplift over Raptor Lake. Intel's Arrow Lake S engineering samples reportedly feature up to a 15% performance increase versus Raptor Lake CPUs. Starting with the information, the Intel Arrow Lake ES2 desktop CPU tested is an 8+16 SKU evaluated against a similar spec Raptor Lake chip, 13th gen, at 250 watts. Do note that this isn't a final TDP but rather used to evaluate the maximum potential of the chips at a set TDP. We've heard from our sources that the TDPs for the Arrow Lake S chips will be lower than the 14th generation, Raptor Lake S refresh, CPUs. JK, at JK0, July 7, 2024, JK, at JK0, July 7, 2024. Regarding performance, the Intel Arrow Lake ES2 desktop CPUs reportedly feature a +3% performance increase in single-thread and a +15% performance increase in multi-thread tests. It should also be pointed out that the single-thread increase isn't IPC but performance. We currently don't know the exact IPC figure for the Lion Cove and Skymont cores featured on Intel Arrow Lake S CPUs, but for Lunar Lake, the Lion Cove core features a +14% improvement while the Skymont core is said to offer a +2% gain over Raptor Cove, and that's in its LPE configuration. With the QS qualification sample revision, which is the next step after ES2/beta stage, we can even better performance, so around +5% in single core and close to +20% in multi-thread, and even those aren't the final PRQ, production, silicon. Earlier, we disclosed that Intel's Arrow Lake S top configs were rated at a maximum frequency of 5.5 GHz in S state, while the latest silicon is running at 5.7 GHz in terms of peak clocks. A +5% or higher street increase and close to 20% multi-thread increase will be a decent improvement for Arrow Lake S CPUs over 13th and 14th general Raptor Lake chips. Of course, this is only a rumor for now, but we can expect more information soon, as Intel would like to offer a heated battle to AMD's upcoming Ryzen 9000 CPUs based on the Zen 5 core architecture, which launch months ahead. Zen 5 is expected to hit shelves later this month, while Intel's Arrow Lake S desktop CPUs are targeting an October release along with the new Z890 motherboards.